So hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to learn heat and temperature. So this class is going to be very short. We will just discuss the heat and temperature only in this class and the relation between them. Okay, so what is heat? Heat is a form of energy. How does it come? So what I told, heat is a form of energy. So by emitting energy, the heat energy comes. But how we can realize that it is a heat energy or not? By the temperature, we can realize that it is a heat or not. We know that if temperature will rise, the thing will get hot. If the temperature will get decrease, it will be cool. So by that feeling, we can actually realize the energy is a heat energy. So heat is the cause, temperature is the feeling of that. Just remember like this. Now coming to heat. So what we will write as heat. Heat is a form of energy that is transferred between one body to another. So let me give an example for you. So we have conductive body A, that should be temperature or heat conductive, and another body is totally connected with this. So just tell me, if this is in 50 degrees Celsius and this is in 0 degrees Celsius, what will happen? The heat will rush from A body to B body, right? So that is the idea. And this process is called heat transferring process. Acha. When it will be end? When both of the bodies will get same kind of temperature. I'm assuming the average temperature 25 degree because this is the most called room temperature. So while the both of the body will get same kind of temperature, then in that time the process will stop. Okay, so this state is known as thermal equilibrium state. So I told you four things over here. That is, what is heat? It is an energy which passes from one body to another. After that, you have to check from which body to what the heat will transfer by checking their temperature. Okay, so this is called heat transfer process. After that, when this process will stop until the body will get thermal equilibrium. What is the state called? The state is actually denoting that both of the bodies are having same temperature, and that is known as thermal equilibrium. So this is all about the concept of heat. Now coming to concept of temperature. Achha. Before that, let me give you the definition of that. Temperature is a quantity which indicates the thermal state. I told you from which body to what it will move. So it's indicating the thermal state of a body. So it determines the direction of flow of body. Sorry, it determines the direction of flow of heat. That from which body to what the heat should be flow. Alright, I'm giving you three bodies over here. As you can see, these two bodies are not connected to each other. Some insulated wall is between them. But we are having third body that is connected with both bodies. That is actually zeroth law, but we will learn about it later. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. Three ABC bodies are conductive. Right now, we have 30 degrees Celsius temperature of the body C. Body B having 20 degrees Celsius temperature, and this one is 0 degrees Celsius temperature. So what will happen? All the heat will flow like this, right? So by having the data of temperature, we can actually say that from which body to what the heat will flow, and that is determining the flow of heat by temperature. So temperature is what? That is the quantity which indicates the thermal state and also determines that from which direction to what the heat will flow. Alright, so the temperature concept is clear right now. Alright, so temperature having some SI unit. So what is the unit of temperature? Right now we know that there should be SI unit and CGS unit. So SI unit is Kelvin, we denote as capital K, and the CGS unit mostly said as, or the most common unit you can say, that is the degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. Now I will show you the relation between the degree Celsius and Kelvin. So what is the relation? Relation equal to T equal to 273 plus small t. So what will happen? Capital T denoting the temperature in Kelvin, where if you add the temperature of degree Celsius which denoted by small t, you will get the temperature in Kelvin. That is the transformation from Kelvin to degree Celsius. And you know that C by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. That is how we can convert degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. So I think the idea is clear right now up to you, and we will discuss more in our next video. Till then, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, don't forget to write it in the comment section.